people throw down out here. Crazy.
In my first ever wakeboarding competition, he told me to just send it, and I sent it.
Today is the day of Splish Splash Bash. We've got a bunch of groms and women, intermediate, everyone coming out and trying to run with the big dogs basically on the yard sale setup.
My name is Eliana. I competed in the women's today, and I started wakeboarding just a little less than a year ago. Yes, I placed third in my first ever wakeboarding competition, which I think is pretty sick, and I'm really excited about it. I'm glad that it worked out because I had a lot of fun here. All of the girls were really awesome. I got to hit some new features that I've never hit before, pushed to try some new things, and I had a really great time. I think a contest like this is something really good to help beginners, like people like me that have never competed in a wakeboard competition before, that just want to put their foot in the water and see what it's like. This is the perfect environment, lots of fun. Everyone here just wants to have a good time, and it was awesome.
Thanks to the sponsors, we were able to give out so much merch, 2 time, swag, stickers, magazines, wake bags. Sponsors like Slingshot, Riot Wake, Copycat, Space Mob, Steez Life, Valdosta Wake Compound, all the co-workers here. It's sick. So we get to give back while progressing the sport.
We've had some crazy slams so far, some sick sends. Everyone's kind of throwing it down. It's sick to see. Seeing them hit the grass and stuff is super sick. Taking it to that next level, there's so many Grommies out here killing it. The contest that promotes kids getting onto a gnarly setup in a safer way. Everyone was killing it, so it was pretty hard to judge.
It was a little bit intimidating, nerve-wracking. I'm not gonna lie, it was my first comp on the 2.0 at Valdosta. It made me more comfortable to ride it. Now I can come here and practice more and more, and it felt good when people were hyping me up. I just enjoy riding with everybody and hyping everybody up. It's really a group that's really great to have, and this is a safe haven for me.
The energy in the air, everybody's just trying stuff, got me to try stuff.
All right, dude, we just finished up here at Splish Splash Bash with the open finals. We got our winners right here, baby. Let's get to the podium.